This informative guide is going to provide you with 3 effective strategies on how you can factory reset your iPhone without the need for a passcode. You are guaranteed to finally access your locked or disabled iDevice once you implement the information provided in this comprehensive guide.
Part 1: How to factory reset iPhone without password with iOS system recovery. If you forgot your iPhone passcode, or your iPhone is disabled, you can use iOS system recovery to bypass the iPhone passcode and fix your iOS system. It can help you reset your iPhone to the original state for normal use.
Part 2: How to factory reset iPhone without passcode via iTunes. Situation 1: Using an existing iTunes backup. Open iTunes, connect iPhone. Summary tab. Restore backup. Confirm restore. Wait for passcode erase. Situation 2: If there is no iTunes backup, open iTunes. Put iPhone in recovery mode. Click restore when asked. Wait for iOS install. Set up iPhone without passcode. Part 3: How to reset iPhone without password via iCloud. Visit iCloud.com in your computer browser and sign in with your own Apple ID and password. Click Find My iPhone and then All Devices at the top of the browser window. Select the iPhone you wish to reset and then click the Erase iPhone. Part 4: Advices for iPhone reset. When resetting, think carefully. It erases all data. Backup is necessary. If you forgot the password, unlock it first. Then navigate to Settings, General Reset, Erase All. Set a new password and make sure to remember it securely.